We out in Cerritos now. Damn, we far from home, doggy. We far home. All right, let's look around here. Damn, that felt like a walk, bro. That felt like a walk. Fuck, dude. All right, let's start with this Champs right here, man. And Champs has been having some sales. Tech Fleece, 25% off. They got quite a few different kinds. Then got the University Blue, powder blue. Someone kept getting mad at me for that. That's funny. 25 off for all that. I got 50% off some of the stuff right here. Yeah, but I came here because I was like, they have a clearance section in the back, but I don't see any 70% off. What the F? There's no 70% off. It's 50% off back here. What the hell? Bastards. I wanted my 70% off. But yeah, dude got the Swingman shorts right here. The Chinese New Year 76er Swingman shorts. You should get 50 off. Better than nothing. Lakers swimming trunks right here. These are Pro Standard. And these are going for $75 right here. Got some of these mediocre looking shorts. These are normally $90. Are you serious? So they're going for what, 45? Got some of the Dodger stuff right here. These are normally $80, so $40 for those. If you want this stuff, go to the Champs clearance store, man, or the Champs outlet. I've shown that on my videos plenty of times. Yeah, if you need any of the addresses for the place I go to, check the description because they're all there. Also, Bossco's channel. I'll have a link for his channel as well. I actually have a link for his channel on every video that I do. So make sure you guys check out Bossco Mitchell's channel. Mitchell and S jerseys right here. So the Luke Robitaille jerseys. Yeah, 50% off, not bad. Normally $2, I believe. And normally $2. These are down to 100. Oh, that's just the medium, and then they got these right here. These are the Pro Standards. $60 for that one right there. Okay. Oh, and then they have one more. Okay, they got more. They got the jackets right here. We saw these. What do we see this at the clearance store or the outlet? I don't remember. But yeah, these are $250 down to $125. Leatherman jackets. They got a bunch of 50% off stuff right here. I wish it was off of these shirts right here. Formula One t-shirt. These aren't 50% off, are they? If I would definitely grab one for my kiddo. I see an XL right there. What is this one? Oh man, large. I need a medium for my kiddo. That's a small. That's a large. Dang it, you guys are killing me. I'm trying to get some for my kiddo, bastards. Oh, this is a medium. Is this 50% off? To be honest, I don't want to pay $40 for a t-shirt. $45 for a t-shirt? But it is 50% off. Might be worth it. Let me ask. The 92-point game that he had in high school, this commemorates that. That is the LaFont stuff right there. Or is it rare? It's the rare stuff. But yeah, man. Got mellow stuff right here. Got regular hoodies right here, 50 off. A new colorway of the Questions. I don't think I've seen this one. Pretty dope. I don't know, what are these? 140, 160? What they at now? 170 now? Damn, these just keep going up, huh? I think they were 160 before. So yeah, $10 higher. Got some 574s on sale. They're getting a little bit cheaper. And look at this one, $50. $50. I did check on these Formula shirts and they're not on sale. I'm not paying $45 for a t-shirt, dude. I'm not gonna do it. You know what I'm saying? Like all the other stuff's on sale. Maybe it'll go on sale eventually. I don't know. You got a Pro Image, and this one's had a little clearance rack for a bit. Nice little clearance rack right here. All sales are final. Look at this Raiders Mitchell and S jacket. 160 down to 100. Or 150 down to 100, my bad. Yeah, it's not bad. More Raiders gear right here. 135 down to $100. And this is Mitchell and S. This one also down 135 down to 100. This is Mitchell and S as well. $160 down to 100. A few of these Dodgers jackets right here. This is Pro Standard? Yeah, it's Pro Standard. By Pro Standard, I definitely mean New Era. But yeah, not bad. $60 off. Got a Cowboys jacket. Got a Rams jacket right here. This one's really nice. This is a Nike. Nike is $100. I don't know the regular price. Definitely more than 100. Then here's a USC Mitchell and S, 120 down to 75. And then got some Malone jerseys and stuff right here. $50. 50 bucks for Malone jerseys. Okay. They got plenty of sizes for the Malone jerseys. They got this women's one right here. Women's Shaquille O'Neal jersey. 175 down to 50. Got these Blazers ones right here. Is this Bill Walton? RIP Bill Walton. Man. 135 down to 50. Okay, they got their prices went down, dude, which is awesome because some of these have been here for a cool minute. That is what you have to do. That is what you have to do. 50 bucks for the Golden State Warriors jersey. They got a few different sizes. Definitely worth checking. Definitely worth checking. Ray Allen jersey right here. 135 down to 67. Do got the Lonzo Mourning jersey right here. What they talking about for these? What they talking about for these? $50 for those. Got the Mike Bibby jerseys, 50 bucks. Reggie Theus jerseys right here. Reggie Theus right here, 50 bucks, down from 150. And then the Jermaine O'Neal jerseys right here. Youngest player in the NBA for a while. And where is that? How much is these? Probably 50 as well. 50 bucks. Definitely plenty of jerseys. Obviously, we focus on the ones on sale because that's kind of what we do here. Man, nice store, man. Nice store. This is one of the bigger Foot Lockers. There are so many freaking shoes here, all against the wall, and they just got a lot of square footage, man. It's a big store. They have a pretty big ASICS section. Definitely surprised to see that. Not really seeing too much heat though. Got tons and tons of New Balance. Also even have On Cloud. I don't know. They got all their basketball sneakers right here. Nike section, not that many sales. They got some sales on the left. Nothing too crazy though. It's just not the same shopping at Foot Locker after going to the Foot Locker outlet. Everything's like 50% off, already reduced prices, and then stuff's on sale here, but not crazy. Not crazy. Lakers Post Standard hoodie right here. Got matching pants if that's what y'all do. Reebok section right here. Look at this. We just saw these for 100 at a bunch of different spots. You got the Shaq Attacks right here, down to 70. Victories right there to 60. Classics for 30 bucks. That's hella clean. 30 bucks. Cheetos or Hot Cheetos suedes right here. Okay. I guess they're not hot Cheetos. They're just regular Cheetos, right? These are the hot Cheetos. Those are the regular Cheetos. These are the hot Cheetos because they got flames and everything, right? And it does say it's a Cheetos thing right there. These are the RSX right here. 120 for these. I think this is a collab with a YouTuber, no? Or is this a Kawasaki Ninja? It's just their bike. I thought it was what that YouTube dude, but no, I guess not. 40 and 50 for these. Oh, we're starting to see the Simpsons stuff on sale. The rivalries right here. Okay. That's a Simpsons one. I believe this is a Simpsons one too, no? Yeah, this is a Simpsons one as well. Super glad to see those on sale. Normally 130. Dude got Jordan 1 football cleats right here. I remember seeing these at Ross and stuff like that way back when. Grabbing these for like 17 bucks. $1.50 retail. Here, got the Chicago one right there. That was dope. This is stuff I'm looking for my kiddo, but I'm hoping to find this. I'm hoping to find this in a refurb section or something. But yeah, man, because we've been seeing some of these for hella cheap in the refurbished section. They do go hella quick though. These are the Invincible Run 3s. Super comfortable. They are $190 here. Y'all know I ain't paying no $190. Y'all know I ain't crazy like that, or I ain't balling like that either. I have been able to find these like refurbished, or I found one at, what was it, Ross? I think I found one at Ross for hella cheap. So yeah, these are normally $160 as well, but I definitely paid $160 for these either. So yeah, that's what's up, dude. We do got a few things on sale though. Some Currys right here. These are the Curry 11s. Curry 11s right here. A few dollars off. Got these two-ways right here. These are normally Those are normally over 90. I thought they were $100 something. But yeah, a few dollars off. Dawn issues right here. What are these? The 6s? The Dawn issue 5s right here. One of the better Dawn issues because all the other ones have been really mediocre looking. This one right here as well. These two ways a little cheaper. They do have a ton of sneakers here. They usually put them in whatever sport that they belong to. Those are all the basketball shoes along that wall right there. Out of the running right here, as well as on the back wall right there. I've been adding more and more casual shoes. Got Dunks right there, Air Maxes. Got some casual shoes right here as well. This is the New Balance area. Baseball cleats right there. Football cleats all along the middle. Soccer cleats on the side right there. They don't have the biggest deals here, biggest discounts, but they do have all kinds of different colorways. I think that's why Bossco loves coming here. All right, let's go to the next part. Damn, I just realized I forgot to show the front of the Dick's Sporting Goods. God dang it. All right, let's go see what's up with the Chic, man. Damn. So they still got the 3s, the Fear 3s. I've just been showing a lot of these already, so we're just gonna go through them real quick. This is one of the few spots that has this on sale, to be honest. But yeah, $140 for these. Seems like every retro is on sale. Holy cow. $80 for the 2s. Couple of comforts, as low as $80. That's crazy. And then I did get these. There was one weekend, like 2 weekends ago, where they did an extra 20% off. So I got this for $70 plus 20% off. So I got it for like $56 or something like that. Hope you guys were able to grab those. I did show you guys, so hopefully y'all were able to grab those. I think this is the first place I've seen with this on sale. Holy cow. And then Legacy 312s getting cheaper and cheaper. Wow. And do got Yeezys here. Yeezy slides. These did sell out on confirmed this morning. I forgot to notify everybody. And got these bad boys right here too. 350s, comfortable as hell. But yeah, the slides. First place I've seen with slides. Wow. Surprised to see those. And then yeah, I got all these in the women's right here. They got a lot of stuff here, man. They got a lot of stuff. That's what's up. And then we've been seeing these. I showed this in yesterday's video. Look at this. Look at this. $70 freaking dollars. You serious? Are you serious? Holy cow. And then trainers for $50. Chic definitely been one of the spots. Chic and Shoe Palace, man. I've been saying, man, Chic's been crazy with the deals. Like there's the Vomeros right here. Men's Cortezes right here, $75 for those. And then even Dunks, man. They've been what's up, man. Dude got a JD Sports. Bossco's still doing his live stream. Go check out Bossco's channel. Doing in-store live streaming. Yo. See what's going on here. Ooh, a few places got these on sale. Is this grade school? I think this is grade school. Yeah, 6Y. That's not bad. A little discount off of that, $20 off. Pennies, a little sale on these. Looks like these are all grade school sizes. Looking to see if they have any other sales. $150 for the Jordan 1 High OGs right here. Oh, $120 for these. $15 off of these SCs right here. This one has really nice leather, nice nubuck and stuff like that. Okay. Got some Gazelles. $20 off these bad boys. Material always great on the Gazelles. Always got the gum bottoms as well. I think that might be it, man. They got a few Air Max and stuff. All these been on sale everywhere else. That last one we went to, where the hell would I go to? Went to one in Topanga, and they had Jordan 1 High OGs for like what, $60, something like that. Yeah, not seeing that here. Oh wait, Bossco found the sale section right here. I didn't even see the men's one right here. I think it's all stuff that we've seen though. Got Dunks. Been seeing that on sale. Got Dunks. More on sale. 574s. That slide sales, $15 off. Nothing too crazy. Vomeros, $20 off. Yeah, slide sales, nothing too crazy. Bossco talk about his live stream. Who has the best deals and selection? And he said Chic, JD, and Shoe Palace. I don't know about JD, but I do agree with Shoe Palace and Chic. I think they've been the best deals. Me, I'm not focused on selection. I'm more focused on deals. But yeah, got a Shoe Palace. Let's look around. Was I hyping up Shoe Palace that much, and then all of a sudden I'm showing crew socks, really? But 3 pairs for $10. These are normally like $18, so almost 50% off. That's not bad. Extra black for these. 140. 140. These came out at 250. Wow, that is a hell of a deal. Wow, LeBron 4 anthracites. Wow. Pennies, 50% off. Dunks right here. Been seeing the Jaws on sale. Been seeing these on sale as well. Scorpions, 130. These just did not take off. These did not take off. Got a little bit of hype when they first released, but just did not take off. 150 for these. Then some dad shoes right here. What the hell are these? Tech Hera? What the hell? And then they got all the sales items right here. This is the men's. All the forums, the campuses, the gazelles, the Vomeros on the bottom. 550s. What this go for? 550, 60, and $70. Okay. They got the Mamacita jerseys right here? Holy cow, they do, huh? How much are these going for? I don't even know how much these are going for. $120. Got him in black, got him in white, and got him probably in the smaller sizes. Oh no, double XL. Got large right here, got medium, and then got these in multiple sizes as well. So both readily available. Wow.